Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ironing boards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Storage MANIAC Tabletop Ironing Board. This particular ironing board has folding legs and is available with a cotton cover. You can see the design from the image of the product, especially when you are placing an order online. You are relying on the image, video, or the product description. It is designed to be space-saving, so if you have been living in a small space, it can be a suitable addition to your place. It has a sturdy steel frame and the cover is removable. So, if you need to wash the cover, you can easily remove it and wash it. It is designed in such a way that you can easily store it away when not needed. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Jacobson Products Padded Sleeve Ironing Board. This particular ironing board has an interesting design that makes it quite unique. It is suitable for ironing sleeves, so if you have been looking for such a product, you can take a look at this particular one. A simple look at this ironing board would reveal that on one side there is a standard board while on the other it is narrow, plus the flannel is durable. It has a heavy-duty aluminum frame, so, if you are looking for such features, you could consider this product, plus it is resistant to high temperatures. You can check the buyer reviews for more information on this ironing board. At number 3, we have the Basde Household Ironing Board. This particular ironing board has a large pressing station, so if you're interested in a large size, you might take a look at this one. If you want to put it in the storage, you can simply fold the legs, and before making a final purchase, it is better to know about the size and design. It is suitable to get a compact design if you have a small space, but if space is not an issue, you can go for such designs too. The height of this particular ironing board is adjustable, so based on your preferences, you can adjust the height. You can check what other people are saying about it. At number 2, we have the Honeycondoo Tabletop Ironing Board. This particular ironing board is imported and would be suitable for small rooms and dorms. So, if you are living in a small space, you can consider this one. It is a good idea to have an ironing board in the house, since your clothes show how neat you are as a person and whether you are taking care of your appearance or not. Using an ironing board can keep your clothes neat. This ironing board is collapsible, so storing it would be easy for you. It is composed of wood and cloth of aqua color. You can check the dimensions from product details. And finally, at number 1, we have the AKOZLIN Travel Ironing Board. This particular ironing board has fixed-sleeved, but the design is space-saving, so it can be a suitable addition to your house. The cover is removable and washable, which means you can easily remove and wash it. You can easily store it in small spaces, plus the legs are folding, so it would be easy for you to keep it in confined spaces. Using the ironing board has many benefits, and this product has been around for a long time. You can fit it easily into small spaces, and to check the dimensions or specifications, you can check product details. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.